Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and once again I welcome all of you to BASP Self-Learning Video Broadcast Solution. Today I'm going to tell you that how can we build an application by using a Lightning App Builder in Salesforce. In my previous video I have explained you that what is a Lightning component, and that was a program. There I have explained how to write a program, how to create a Lightning component, how to create a Lightning application, but that to be with a programming. But in this tutorial I will be going to tell you how to build an application by using a Lightning App Builder, which is a new feature which has incorporated in Salesforce in Spring version. So let's switch to Salesforce. So for as you can see here, I have already registered on Salesforce. It's a developer edition for Lightning version. And here when you click on setup, and when you click on develop, you will find a new option over here that we called as a Lightning App Builder. So we will be going to use this Lightning App Builder to build a new application so that it can be accessed on a mobile phone or on our mobile phones or in multimedia phones. But before developing an application by using Lightning App Builder, I will be going to develop a Visualforce page because I want to incorporate that Visualforce page also in my Lightning App Builder. So I've already developed the pages for you. I'll just explain you that what we are going to do in that page is, so that page I have developed for accessing a record from a user, and we user will create a record into an account object. So that's a Visualforce page. User will enter here thank you, account name and phone number, and once user clicked on save, it will be redirected to a thank you page and the data will store into an account object. So I will be going to incorporate this Visualforce page into my app builder or in Lightning app. So let's move on to developing a Lightning app. So for this, I click on setup and then click on Lightning app builder. So you see Lightning app builder, it has mentioned here that Lightning app builder provide an easy to use graphical interface for creating custom app pages for Salesforce One using Lightning pages. So it can be easily accessed on a Salesforce One mobile phone app. So I click on new to build a new Lightning app builder. So it will open an interface for us. You can see here it's at the URL, it's Visual Editor app builder.app. Here I'm going to provide the label of my app. So I'll add BASP app, and the template will be one column or two columns. So I'll go with responsive two columns and create. So that's the canvas where we can design our component, where we can design our app. It may take some time to load, and once it gets loaded successfully, on the left side you can see we have a standard components or custom component. On right side, this is about the information about your app. At the top you can see there is a save button and activate button. So once we saved it, we can activate it, because until and unless we'll not activate it, it will not be available on mobile phone screens. It will not be accessible. Then we have here phone or tablets, means if you would it will help you to switch from phone to tablet or from tablet to phone. So whatever will be your requirements, so according to that you can switch from tablet to phone or from phone to tablet, and then you can develop or you can build your application based on that. So I'll remain with phone, and first of all I would like to add a component here. So we need to drag and drop the component. So I drag the recent item component on this first component section, and by default it will display account. So obviously we can modify this. So instead of account, I want to display recent cases. So I add the cases, drag and drop, and remove this account from here. So it will display recent cases in the first section. In second section, I want to add a Visualforce component. So I drag and drop my Visualforce component here, and all the Visualforce pages which we have created, that will be listed here, and then we can choose from the list of pages. So we have thank you page, or we have a account create page. So I'll go with the first page, account create page. Customization you can done. I have created a sample page, so you can do it customization according to yourself. So once it is done, simply save it. If you want to add any action into it, we can add actions as well. Just scroll down. If I'll scroll down, you can see we have an action here. So right now there are no actions are selected. So I click on select and I'm going to add an action. So I want from within this app, I can create a new opportunity. I will be able to add a new opportunity. I will be able to add a new lead, or I can create new account as well, and I can log a call as well and click on OK. So now the actions are also added along with this app. So once it is done, click on save, and once it is saved successfully, click on activate. So just make sure the tab label, if you want to add any, if you want to change the tab icon, you can change it. There are predefined icons, so you can choose any icon for your app. I'll go with this computer, but make sure this will not be accessed by, this icon will not be used by some other objects. You can see here you will get this kind of navigation on your app, and once it is done, again click on activate. And also you can make sure whether this tab will be visible to all users or system administrator. So I'll go with all users and click on activate. So once it is activated successfully, I'll go back to setup. Now I would like to access this. I would like to see that how it will look like on mobile phone screen or on my Salesforce One application. So to test this application, we can simply paste this URL here. I'll remove this. This is for testing, and I write here 1/1.app. That's the URL for testing. So I press enter, and you can see this Salesforce One application has been launched. It's been launching, and once it is open, on the left side there is a icon. When I clicked on this, I get a drop down list, and here that's the app. The app which I have created just now, that's the BISP app. There are various other options as well, like recent account, cases, contact, leads, opportunity. So I'll go for BISP app, and in this BISP app you can see the recent items, a list of recent items, and the account create option as well. And also we have here new opportunity, the shortcuts for new opportunity, new leads, new account, or log or call. Let's test this whether it's working or not. So I create here account name BISP Solutions Bangalore and phone number, and when I click on save, it will give me a thanks for creating record. It's a thank you page. So if I'll go back and I want to test whether this record has been created or not, so I'll back to setup and I click on account section, account object, and here I can see the record has been created successfully, BISP Solution Bangalore. And if I click on log a call, so that's option is for log a call. Subject name, we can look for a contact, the available contact or a lead, and then we can directly make a phone call from here. Or if you want to create a new account or new lead or new opportunity, so we can click on new lead option and we can fill up the details and save it. So like this we can develop or we can build an application by using Lightning App Builder. That's all in this video. If you have any questions, if you have any queries, you can visit our website www.bispsolutions.com, or you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on Lightning Component or Lightning App Builder. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.